In this video, I'll teach you how to create and manage a playlist on Dailymotion. If you have not added in any videos to a particular playlist, in today's video, let me show you the process. First things first, open up dailymotion.com and then head over to your profile section on the top right. Head over to Studios. Once you're inside of the Studios section, you'll be able to see the option or the plus icon on the top of the screen. To create a playlist, you can click on this option. Now the second option right here is the option called Create Playlist. You can just click on this option. Now there are two playlists that you can create, a manual playlist or a dynamic playlist. For a dynamic playlist, you need to set up certain filters such as automatically add in new videos. So if you want to add in dynamic filters, select the second option and then click on Next. In the second part, you need to give a title to your playlist. Give any title that you want. Now either you'll have the option of making this playlist private or public. If you want other people viewing your channel to view this playlist as well, you can make it public and then click on Next. Now this is the part where dynamic playlist comes in. You can select a bunch of filters right here. So firstly, you can select the playlist order, such as newest to oldest or oldest to newest or most viewed as well. So select your playlist order. What you can also do is add other sources. If you toggle this option on, you can also import other videos from other channels in Dailymotion to add it to this particular playlist. So if you want that, you can also click on import section and then add in the profile of the Dailymotion user. Lastly, you can also click on the add filters option. If you click on add filters, you can add in a bunch of filters that you can set up for this particular playlist. So once you've set up everything that you need, you can now click on create. And there you go, your playlist now has been created and you'll be able to view the videos that are selected by default if you selected the dynamic playlist. So that was the video about the way that you can create and manage a playlist in Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.